Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel with new video. In this video we are going to discuss about the Python data types. In Python every value belongs to a specific data type, and data type identifies the type of data which a variable can hold. It also identifies the type of operations performed on data. There are four types of data types in Python. First one is the number data type. Second one is none data type. Third is sequence data type. And fourth one is the mapping data type. In number data type, there are four data types, that is the integer, float, complex, and the boolean. In complex, there will be a real and the imaginary value. Second one is the none data type. None is itself a data type. It is always while typing none, the first letter N should be in capital. Then comes the sequence data type. In sequence, there are three data types, that is the string, list, and tuples. And the fourth one is the mapping data type. And in mapping data type, a dictionary data type is there. All these data types are of two types. इनको हम लोगों ने दो भागों में बांटा हुआ है. First one is the mutable data type. Second one is immutable data type. Mutable data types means whose value can be changed in the place, like in list, dictionary. List and dictionaries are the mutable data type, जिनके वैल्यू को हम लोग बदल सकते हैं. Immutable, whose value cannot be changed, और इसमें हमारे numbers, strings and tuples आते हैं. Number, strings and tuples, these are immutable data types. And there is one more thing, one more functions is there, that is the type function, which determine the dynamic data type of the variable. किसी भी वेरिएबल का क्या डाटा टाइप है ये अगर पता करना है तो फिर हम लोग टाइप फंक्शंस को यूज़ करते हैं. ओके. एंड वन मोर थिंग, वेरिएबल ऑफ अ सिंपल डाटा टाइप लाइक फ्लोट, इंटीजर, they hold single value as they cannot hold the multiple data value like the names of students in class, months of year. And for this purpose Python provides sequence data type like string, like list, like tuples, like mapping data type, dictionary. All these hold the multiple values. Then let's try to understand what is the sequence data type. First, try to know what is sequence. Sequence is an ordered collection of items where each item is indexed by its integer value. What is indexing? What is integral value? All these things we will come to know in the next video. And in the sequence data type, three data types are there: string, list and tuples. And in the next video we are going to discuss about the string, list and tuples. Till then, bye.